All right. Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce over here at Hotel Guest Management, and we have the lovely.
Augusta Mathis Bertrand.
All right, Augustus. All right. So she's going to tell us about her hotel experience, some of the things that she likes and what she doesn't like, and let's see what she got to say. So, as far as like the hotel, what is the average rate you usually pay? Like, what's the least you ever paid, and what's the most you ever paid for a hotel stay?
Well, the least I ever paid was about $45, and the most probably 150.
Okay. Now, when you as far as like hotels, what are you looking for when you're searching for hotels? So, you usually search online, or usually call on the phone, or how does that work?
Pretty much on the phone for myself. My kids online. Um, Looking for just a really nice place at a good price with a nice view if you're in Florida, especially.
Now, when I say the word room upgrade or hotel upgrade, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
The top level, something like a suite.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, as far as have you ever got that phone call when they call you over the phone asking you how was your stay or how was your room? Is that something that you like or is something that you prefer not to get?
I don't mind. It's according to the time of the day, but if I had a really great experience, then of course I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes.
Would you prefer that through a text message or a phone call?
A text message.
Okay, okay. Now, as far as reviews, everybody, some people leave reviews, some people don't leave reviews. If you do leave reviews, why do you leave reviews? And if you don't leave reviews, how come you don't leave reviews?
I'm going to always leave a review if it's good. If it's a good stay, I will leave a review. If I had a few issues, I try not to because I'm in the business myself. So if it's a good stay, I definitely leave a review of how I enjoyed it and what I enjoyed about it.
Perfect, perfect. Now, one more thing before I let you go. What type of business are you in?
I'm actually in many different businesses, but one is Airbnb and the other one is Jazzy Dog Hot Dog Cart. So we're just getting started on that. Very excited, very, very excited about it.
Are you on Instagram?
Yes, we are. It's Jazzy Dog. It says music to your mouth. Our hot dogs are like music to your mouth. I'm a jazzy mama with Jazzy Dog.
So that means you also travel for business as well.
We do. Yes, we do.
All right, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to meet you. Make sure you guys go out to Jazzy Dogs and give her a call. I think you do events?
Yes, we do. And catering.
Fantastic, fantastic. And that's all we got here for you today over here at Hotel Guest Management, and we'll be talking to you soon. Listen to your guest.